We got Tony over there doing some prep. Oh, he's got one switch mounted already. Look at that. One Altalabs switch. Good, nice. We'll do some cleanup over there. On site, installed 3 switches. Right now, we see 2. We got the brand new Altalabs 48 port up there, and we have a 24 port, and downstairs, 2 floors, we have another one that's linked here. Now, this is a temporary setup right now to get the networking gear installed, updated, because it was offline for a couple days, so I needed another update. We got Tony with me here.
Hello.
I just did a full-on AirMapper Wi-Fi test on here. I'll put a screenshot for you guys all to see that. Right now, we have a temporary HSPA modem because there's no internet connection in the building yet to this actual area. So we did that just to do a Wi-Fi test. Then we tested a bunch of ports in the building. I'll put a screenshot for that. But today's video is mainly about installing the actual switch and having it tested and working. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough and I'll show you guys where we put the access points and how they put the ports on the wall. So we got 48 port at the top, linked together with a 10 gig DAC to a 24 port down here for more ports. And up the very top, we just got a simple HSPA modem to give us internet, so that way we can test everything, update the firmware and stuff like that. So we'll go this way. As you can see, we have wide open space for the staff to have their desks. We have one access point down here on this end. And if we go down over here, we'll show you some ports. Maybe not, kind of. As you can see, maybe on the floor here, there's no desks. The electricians put in some ports. They're labeled for the power, and they're labeled for the desk for data. Down this hallway down here is all glass, but I did the AirMapper tool for the Wi-Fi scanning, and it looks really good. Don't trip over the vacuum, Tony.
Okay.
Way down here, we have the last access point up here in the wall. Here's a perfectly good example, open area where the desks are going to be. They have 3 ports, so we have telephone, and then 2 data networks, one for a computer, maybe a printer or something like that. Very simple walkthrough. I'll do maybe a final video when I'm done, but this is just to get them up and running. A rack on the wall. The electricians did an actual good job of terminating stuff like that. Tested a whole bunch of them. They work perfect. There we go. Here. Go in the back corner over here. Turn around. Go down the hall here. Trip over the vacuum. Go over here, spin around, come back here. And we'll end here. And for now, this is up and running and working, so we'll go from there.